And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 224. Let me show you the graphic pen photo filter. You find it under filter, filter gallery. It's in the sketch folder. Option number 6, and if you can't find it, just use the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted. We have 3 ways to adjust it. The stroke length gives you shorter or longer strokes. Usually longer strokes will get rid of a couple of details and shorter ones will have you keep more of them. Then we have the light dark balance. This is going to intensify the brighter ones if you go lower, and the darker ones if you go higher. And in the extremes you have a fully white, sometimes even a fully black result. For this example I would go to around 30, and then you can see the direction of the strokes. You can adjust that also, make it horizontal, vertical, and then right and left diagonal. Don't forget to confirm via OK, and this is how you can use this graphic pen photo filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.